In this video, we're going to talk briefly about how to separate your leads into various smaller blocks. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open up a lead block of whatever size you have, 10,000 leads, 50, 100, how many you may have in that amount. So open that up in Microsoft Excel or whatever spreadsheet program you have, and they'll all work basically the same. Here we have 10,000 leads, 1 to 10,000, as you can see on the left. Now, when breaking these into the blocks, never click on the number of the lead on the left, click on the actual phone number of that lead. Now, if you have leads that have all of the data, then perhaps one of these columns will have that specific column only with phone numbers. So just click the top of that column, it'll capture all of them. Now, here's the simple technique to break those out and put them into their separate file. Once you've copied the leads you want to separate out, here, let's assume this is a block of just phone numbers, hold down the Control key and then press the C button, which is for copy. Then while still holding the Control key down, press the N button. That opens up a new spreadsheet. And then while still holding down the Control button, press the V as in Victor, and that will paste all of those leads into its own separate file. So we just copied those in their own separate file. Now let's assume we're doing text broadcasting and you only want to send out 1,000 at a time, because you can only upload 1,000 at a time if you've got that standard text broadcasting platform set up. Or if you want to break them out into 5,000 or 3,000, or if you have a 50,000 block and you want to break them into 10. All you do is you click the first phone number, you go to the right and you pull the bar down, otherwise it will take too long to move down. You pull that bar down and pull it down to the number you want to break out those leads into. In other words, here, let's assume we're going to break them out into 1,000. So when you get close to that, you can use your mouse key to scroll up or down and you can get right on that number. Once you find that number, before you click anything, hold the Shift key down. That's the Shift key. And while holding the Shift key down, click on the number itself. You can see everything between 1 and 1,000 has been highlighted. Now, the first thing you want to do again, hold the Control key down. While you're holding that Control key down, press the C button, which is copy, the N button for a new file, and the V as in Victor button. And there you have your block of leads broken out into 1,000, which is all we wanted. And now all you do, of course, is you save that in your lead folder and you make certain that it is saved as a CVS file. In other words, CSV, comma separated value. And so I just scroll down, find that CSV, comma delimited, click on it, and there you'll see all your CSV files. It must be in that format to be uploaded into your voice broadcasting or texting format. Then you would simply, what I do is I click on the actual lead list, so I've got the main list, and I go down while it's sitting in my file name, and I put 001 to 1,000, and I will save it. It says, okay, yes, there you have it. I now have that 1,000 block, and if we go to that folder, you can see we have the 10,000 main one, and we have the 1 to 1,000. It is